What's going on, everybody? It's your man Cleveland Terry, and today we are going to be talking about a true game changer. And I'm not talking hyperbolic. I'm not trying to like get clicks on here, but an actual true game changing update to DJAY. Let's talk about it. All right, everybody, if you're new here, this is what we do. We talk about all things DJ related, whether that be DJ Tips 101, DJ reviews, and then DJ gig logs. If that sounds like something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification so you know when I post new videos, and obviously hit the like, leave the comments, do all the things that YouTube needs you to do. All right, let's talk about why we're really here, and that is because of the new 5.5 update by Algorithm DJ. When I tell you, it's one of the most requested things that you will see. I mean it, besides crate search. Did I mention I still want crate search? Okay, we won't go there. Okay, let's take you to the beta. And by the time you guys see this video, the actual release will have happened. But for now, we're going to be in the beta. Okay, so let's take a look at here. We have here now, obviously, our normal file structures and our normal apps. But if you drop down, we have a new icon. And this is the USB library. So now we are able to export our files from within our system to the USB drive. Now, why is that important? I'm going to show you in just a second. So first off, we're going to have the USB drive open, and we're just going to go down to some files that I've already moved over. So we're going to take this vlog playthrough. So you have a couple of different options. You can right click, you can say add to USB. So we're going to click add to USB. You're going to see some actions right here on the bottom. It's moving it over. This is all in real time. So you can see exactly how long it's going to take. There are 39 songs in this file. They're all local files, and we are almost 81%. So we'll be done in like 10 seconds. Okay, we're done. Never mind. Okay, then we are also going to take one that I made called Test DJ Apps. Now, what's different about this one is we have we have files from Apple Music, we have files from Tidal, and we also have some local storage. So this is all mixed media. Okay, so we're going to take this, and instead of saying add, we're just going to drag it down into the playlist right here. And it's going to start moving it over. That was fast because it's mostly streaming. Now we have vlog playthrough and then our DJ test. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and eject this out. Then we're going to move over to DJ. Yes. All right. We're going to take USB, pop it in. And as you can see, we have also the same USB icon right there. We're going to open the USB drive. And we're going to see, there it is. We're going to select that and hit open. Now, everything that I've exported over onto that thumb drive is now here. Vlog playthrough, test DJ. So I can take this and say, add all to my collection. It's going to add everything in here. Or I can click on the checkbox here, and then I can select which ones that I want to send. Now, this could be helpful if you have a folder that you just continue to export to, and then maybe you're like, oh, I just need that particular folder. So then you can just select that and then send it over. But you have both options here. So we're just going to do an all this time. So let's back this out and let's just say all, add all to my collection. And you have the option of overriding existing DJ cues and loops, which for the most part, I think you will do it that way, but maybe not. So you can turn that off if you want, and then copy files to internal storage. And this goes to like your DJ media file. So we're going to do that. And easy to delete after the fact if you want to. Okay, we are copied over. Like I said, this SanDisk record box drive is super fast as far as reading is concerned. I can go up here, and now we have all of our stuff. USB playthrough and DJ. Now, as I said before, in DJ, I will bring this up for one more time so you can see. In DJ, remember, I had some streaming media that had cue points and everything. So now, if I pop this out, I have the cue points already there, which is fantastic. But wait, It gets better than that. If I take this drive right here and I bring it over to the CDJ 3000 that are sitting on my table, this is what happens. CDJ 3000X is here, S11. We're going to take this USB-C, we're going to pop it in, and we're going to wait here and see what happens. All right, USB, let's click on USB. We'll click on local library and let's go to playlist. And there are my playlists, both the vlog playthrough. We'll load that in. All good. Let's take it back and let's go to DJ. Now this is the mixed media one. So these are all streaming. I don't have any streaming services on here at the moment, so that's not an option, but you know, all of the other ones will load up just fine, like so. And if we try to do the streaming ones, unsupported file format. So there you go. Now, look, I don't have to tell you guys how much of a game changer this is. In the past, if you wanted to get record box exports out so you could use them on CDJ 3000s, 2000s, etc., you had to use the record box app. You no longer need to use the record box app. Do I need to tell you how important that is? So if you're using DJ and you get to a place and they got CDJs, you can just say, oh, hold on. Let me just export my files over and then I can just DJ like normal, like nothing's changed. Your playlists are all intact. Your order is still intact. Everything that you use in DJ or in, you know, the iPad is all there, or even on your phone. You have so many options now with DJ. DJ is single-handedly changing the game. All right, real quick, because I forgot one little caveat. So as we said, this will work for record box, which means you can use the 3000s, you can use the 2000s, but Denon Engine OS reads record box formatted files. So you can also use it for your Prime Go, for your Prime 4, for your SCs, all of them. Your new marks, they will all work for this device. Good stuff, man. I said it before, I will say it again. The reason why I haven't done my review is because every time I go to do my review, something like this pops up. But I'm going to spoil alert here. It's one of the best DJ apps on the planet. What it gives you, the value that it gives you, the value added benefits of this program are unmatched. There is no other software that's allowing you to use your computer and your iPad and your phone, whatever you have access to. There's no other software. And that puts it in a class of its own just because of that. But I'm going to tell you right now, all I need is crate search. All I need is crate search. Can I get crate search, please, DJ? It's all I need. Everything else, let me know in the comments what you think about this update. Let me know in the comments how you plan on using this update. If this is going to help you out, because you do a nightclub every so often and there's CDJ 3000s, you're doing a venue, whatever. Now you have access. The biggest issue that I had with the iPad and the computer was I couldn't get my files over easily on the iPad. That was the biggest issue. Now, no issue whatever. I can keep parity on both devices. If I just want to use my iPad to DJ, that's all I need. It's got all my music on here, plus streaming, plus it's got cell service. So all of my streaming files are basically local anyway. You can't ask for anything better. Anyway, bravo, DJ. Bravo. Bravo. Now, a couple of things. One little caveat I will say. The record box export is coming to the other software. It's going to come to Virtual DJ. It's going to come to Serato at some point. But the fact is, with Serato, it's going to take a minute. You know how Serato works. But if you're using DJ and you're looking for benefits of why you would even want to take a look at DJ, I've just given you 3 reasons. PC, Mac, iPad, cell phone. CDJs. Anyway, if you found what I said here useful, hit that like button. If you found what I said here really useful, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you follow me on the Instagrams and the threads. Guys, girls, always a pleasure. If I don't talk to you later, we will talk soon. Peace.